Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from Homestead Skills, and it is now Sunday morning, and I'm just putting this little video together of our efforts yesterday. As you can see, we rented a little tiller, and it had to be a light-duty tiller simply because that's all I could fit in my car. Would have been nicer to get a heavier one, would have made the job a little bit quicker, but it's certainly better than shoveling. And Mark is working away at that for me. Thank God for his help. It allows me to catch up. I felt that I was behind, and there was way too much cleaning up to do. The garden plot was in pretty bad shape, so the tiller was absolutely necessary at this point. So we spent the day there. Mark rototilled and I raked and cleaned up most of the weeds, and by the end of the day we did have the job done. Well, I can tell you that even with that tiller, this job was a big job. The weeds were thick, and even for myself, raking them, it was hard on Mark pushing that tiller around, but it was also a little bit difficult for me cleaning up after him, picking up all the loose weeds, raking them, and getting rid of them. So the garden is as you can see, now ready except for a little bit of cleanup at the edges. I tried to keep up with that, and if at some point he told me just to stop, he would take it as close to the edge as possible. And so I planted instead. And here I have some new raspberry shoots that will probably do nothing for me this year because raspberries put out the canes one year. Oh, and some rhubarb as well. Yeah, raspberries put out a cane one year and the berries the second. So these are just all brand new plants. But planting has started, and I'm definitely going to put some ground cover cloth on this, not on the whole plot, but on some of it, to make the weeding job a little bit easier over the summer. So, almost done.